So the topic we're going to cover today is Google Slides and just some of the basics of the program. We're going to talk about how to actually open a slide and navigate to it. We're going to talk about the basic navigation within the program itself, and then finally saving it so students can easily access slides and find it again. So if I want to get to Google Slides, it's going to be a lot like Google Docs. I'm going to open up a new tab, and I'm going to go to the Google Apps waffle, whatever you call it over here. And I have two options. I can open up my slide from my drive, and then it's automatically saved there. Just put it in the folder I want. Or I can go to Slides here. If you open it up from Slides here, there's a bunch of pre-built templates that are already there, and students wouldn't have to totally create their own slide from scratch. For this reason, though, I already have one opened here that your students will see, and that's going to be the Student Organizer. So what I'm going to focus on is mostly File, View, Insert, and Slide. So those are going to be the main things that students are going to use, but I'm going to really encourage them to try out all the other options up here and play around with it, because at the end of the day, if you mess it up, all you have to do is hit the undo button. So if I want to add a new slide into this presentation, all I do is click Slides here, and I have my options pop up. If I want to make an exact copy of what is already on the screen, I can just hit Duplicate Slide. If I need to get rid of it, I hit Delete. But if I want to add a new blank copy, all I do is I hit New Slide here. And it's a totally blank copy based on the template that is made in Google Slides. From there, I can begin inserting things that I need to convey the information that I want on the slide. And you see I have all my options here, and they're all drag and drop. All I do is I click it, it gives me the options, and I can put in the information that I need. So if I want to add text to this, all I have to do is click Text Box here. It gives me this cursor, and I drag and I drop the size of the text box I need. And from here, it's just like Google Docs, where I have all my different options for formatting that text. So I make sure the text is the size I want, and I can make that my title now. If I go back here and I wanted to put in an image, I have all these different options. If I have them saved on my computer, I can do upload from my computer or my photos. If they're saved in my drive, I can link right to my drive here, or I can just search the internet through Google Slides right here. I can even take pictures from the webcam on the computer and add them in. One thing to remember, though, is if you want to add images into your slide, it has to be labeled for use so you don't break copyright. So I already searched an image here. And to make sure that you're not breaking copyright, what you want to do is you want to come to this Tools section on Google, and you want to find the labeled for reuse. So you want to go to this button here, and you want to make sure that labeled for reuse is checked, because that means that the image is not copyright and you can use it whenever you want. So I'll select this bulletin board. I'll just copy the image, and I'll paste it onto my slide and make it however large I need or however small I need to fit what I need on the slide. So if this is now the way I want it and I want to show it to my classmates, all I have to do is I go up here on View and I hit Present. And now I'm presenting my slide. Once I'm done, I can go to File. If it isn't mine and it's not already in my drive, I can click Add Shortcut to Drive and it'll be automatically saved to my drive. If it's in my drive and I want it in a different folder, I can hit Move, name it, and put it in my drive so I can find it at a different time. Obviously, this is just a basic overview of Google Slides. There's more advanced things that we can do, but if you need any more help, let me know and I'd be happy to help you.